can see the street is very beautiful. Before, Nairobi was not as beautiful like this. The beautification of Nairobi was done by Major General Bandi. He did a beautiful job. Nairobi is a very beautiful place, as you can see. And as you can see, we are walking along. I love Nairobi. It's a beautiful city. On my right, you can see Eliud Kipchoge, the famous marathoner, the best marathoner in the world. Kenya, we are the best in marathon. This is Banda Street. This is Nairobi Center, Banda Street area. This is CBD for you, Central Business District of Kenya. It's a beautiful place. This is, as you can see, the beautification of this place I'm showing you. On my left is Nairobi City Market. The city market is where people buy different type of fish, you buy chicken there and fish. It's a very beautiful place, and the beautification has been done. It's a very nice place now, not like before. As you can see, the way Nairobi is a beautiful place, the beautification has been done very well. At least we have footpaths where people can walk, and if you're a lover of cycling, you can do cycling in the city. So people are enjoying. It's not like before. At least they have space. They are not colliding with cars. People are having fun. Like today, you can see the road is very clear. You can do your cycling and you can walk and enjoy the Central Business District of Nairobi. is a very busy place. Today is on Sunday. That's why you can see the city is a little bit quiet. The central business district is big, but I've just managed to show you some few streets so that you can have an idea of how the central business district looks like. So today, as I've said, it's on Sunday. That's why you can see the streets are a bit quiet, but believe you me, on weekdays Nairobi is a vibrant city, very, very busy, and it will be a very different story if today was a weekday. From Monday to Saturday, Nairobi is very busy. That's the reason why you can see the city was a little bit quiet today, being on Sunday. So much for watching this video. If this is your first time to be here, kindly subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video and leave a sweet comment down below. Bye and see you on the next one.